Hi folks, welcome to my humble off-grid homestead in the forest, and today I have a real treat for you. I know that I say that often, but it's all true. It's a treat for me, and I thought I would share it with you. This happens every year in the spring, but I've never had the opportunity to record and share this with you. Really, spring and fall is nothing short of paradise here where I live. And today's the 17th of April, and it is what I would probably declare the first day of spring, because the birds are back and we've had 2 days of gentle rain, and the ground is pretty much thawed out from the winter's frozen grip, and the earthworms are coming up. I see lots of robins turning over every leaf looking for earthworms that are coming up. I see blackbirds, I see chickadees, I see, what is that? Is that a blue jay? Really, the ground is teeming with life. You may not be able to see from where you are, and the sparrows is something little bit one size bigger than a sparrow. So I'm going to open the window now. If I were to go outside, they would probably all take off. You can't see right now, but there's literally hundreds of birds, hundreds of songbirds right now, mostly camouflage, but when I open the window slowly, you'll be able to hear them nonetheless. I mean, I know that this is available to most places, but in the cities, when there's all that noise pollution, they tend to try to be competing with that so they can be heard right now at this time of year. They're looking for mates. This is the robins that I mostly pretty much every bird that I'm mostly looking seem to be the male. Boys are here trying to establish dominance or territory and build their nests before the ladies come around, I'm guessing. Anyway, I'm going to stop. There's little pools of water that they're taking a little bird bath in. They've had a long journey to get here, I assume. I reckon. So, anyway, without further ado, I'm going to open this window and let you hear the symphony that is the songbirds in the forest. Here we go. I scared them off. I hope they come back. You can hear them in the distance now. Oh man. It was so much louder before I started recording or opening the window.